I love you. Punta dito yung mga katrabaho ni Devin, guys. Yung iba, nakapunta na, most of them. Pumunta din dito yung boss nila, Devin. Tapos ngayon naman is yung ang tawag mo? Nakalimutan ko ang tawag sa kanila. Basta yung mga taga-HR, sila yung pupunta dito today. Mamayang hapon, pagkatapos ng mag-work. Kaya, naligo na din ako ng, hello! Ng maaga. Mabango-bango tayo mamaya. Pag pumunta sila dito. And, also guys, last night, I cannot fall asleep. So, natulog ako kagabi around 4:30 a.m. And yun din ang time na kinuha ko si Dudong liit sa kanyang baby bed. And fairness kay Dudong, guys, natutulog na siya sa kanyang baby bed until, until morning. Wait lang, baby! But kagabi, kinuha ko lang siya sa, hello! Hi! Kinuha ko lang siya kagabi sa kanyang bed dahil hindi pa kasi ako sanay, guys, na hindi ko pa katabing matulog si Dudong. So, maybe kaya late akong nakatulog kagabi dahil doon. And also, natulog din ako nung mga 4:30 and nagising ako mga 5. Sobrang pagod na pagod ako today. So, sana hindi sila masyadong magtagal masyadong magstay ng matagal. I mean, kasi Fagoda Akez. Kakagising niya lang sa kanyang afternoon nap. Ang aga niyang gumising. Mga 30 minutes lang siyang natulog. Pinaligo niya lang ako tapos nagising na siya. Such a happy baby. He's such a happy baby. Tapos na kami maglinis. Wala naman kami masyadong nililinis. Yung island lang naman namin ang aming nililinisin dahil yun lang din ang makalat sa aming bahay. Kamishi, you wanna go to mommy? Wanna go to mommy? Wanna go to mommy? Ayan. Medyo yung kanyang tulog, medyo hindi maganda ang kanyang tulog dahil sobrang gasin niya na naman. Yung kinain ko kanina, guys, kumain ako ng okra. Nag-steam ako ng okra. Miss ko yun. Yes! Do you wanna drink milk again? Kinain ko kanina. Yan, bebe. Wait lang. Din ako ngayon, guys. Nakadalawang cup ng coffee din ako ngayon. Dahil inaantok ako. Sobrang antok ko. And si Dudong, natutulog lang ng mga 20 minutes and then nagigising na naman. Kanina, pinaligo lang ako tapos nagising na naman siya. So, magpakarga ni Dudong. Karga ng karga. Mabigat na siya. And ayaw niyang magpalagay sa kanyang baby carrier. May nabili akong coconut water, guys, sa Oriental Asian store. Yeah, wait lang. Mama gonna... It says easy and classic coconut hot pot. Coconut infused rice. Tropical tender coconut juice. Yes! Masarap to. Ayaw ni Devin yung lasa nito. Pero ako gusto ko. Less sweet lang siya. Pero masarap siya. Come here to mama then. Come here to mama then. Wait, mama gonna tie her hair. Ayan. Ito na naman kami sa kanyang pakarga-karga. Pero in fairness lang naman sa kanya guys, natutulog na siya sa kanyang sa kanyang bed. Hey guys, nandito na si Devin, nag-walk lang siya kay Sanji. And nilabas ko na yung mga tea namin. Ito yung mga tea namin. Ayan. Ang dami kong biniling tea. Meron akong ginger, lemon, and then peppermint, and then itong favorite ko na tea. Ayan, nilabas ko na lang lahat para mapili na rin sila. And if they want coffee, we also have coffee. We also have like the coffee machine, pero sana wag naman yun kasi mahirap gawin yun. Hindi ko na ilalabas yun. Mahirap kasi gawin yun. Hindi masarap ang coffee. Wala din akong coffee milk kasi yung meron ako ngayong coffee milk is sira na. Hindi kasi kami bumili ng coffee milk para sa para sa coffee machine talaga. Yung fini-filter yung coffee. Kasi hindi naman kami mahilig sa ganong coffee. Hey! What is that face? The happy face. The happy face. That's a happy face. Don't worry, I took off. So we have a very cute short. And then we also have some nice summer clothes. This one. The one. Meron din pants for baby. And then mga mga clothes na malalaki. Nilagay namin to sa aming wish list kasi kailangan ng wish list para alam nila kung ano yung gusto namin for the baby. So ito yung mga na nalagay namin na ito meron sobrang cute na cute na shoes. This will fit on the baby. And then meron ding stuffed toy na pwedeng And then, this one is personal gift from Bianca, the secretary. So, a bubble thing and this one. Kai likes this one. He was really interested in this one.
He's good.
So, yan yung nakuha. Yeah! And now, Devin is making our dinner. And the baby is not yet sleeping. Hello? Hello? So, hindi pa siya nakatulog. And, yung tulog niya today, 20 minutes lang yung nap niya. And, yeah. Gutom na rin ako kasi wala akong masyadong kinain kanina. Yun lang yung kinain ko kanina, yung rice and okra. I ate rice and okra this morning, Dad. Yep. And si Dudong gusto niyang magpalagay sa stroller niya. So, nilagay na lang namin. Sana, pagkatapos namin kumain is, kung pagising pa siya, pagising pa siya is, i-wipe ko na lang siya. You want to vlog as well? Okay, hello! Hello, guys! Hello, guys! It's you, baby. You're interested today. He's exploring today. Nakatitig lang siya kanina sa mga ka-workmate ni Devin, like grumpy. So, ang dinner namin today is bread with soup. Tomato soup. Kain tayo, guys. Oh. The tomato soup smells so good.
Kain tayo, guys.
Ooh, it smells like sinigang.
You know what people add in here usually? Knorr, the black knorr.
I have knorr in there.
I know. So if you want.
Tastes like sinigang as well. Oh, it will just taste like that. Right?
Tastes like tomato soup. This tastes very different than the sinigang I had then. Because I already have a few in here. I don't know if you have.
It's good, babe.
Mm.
Do you like it?
I do. So tomorrow, French onion.
Bread again?
Oh no, tomorrow is vegetable day.
Mm-hmm.
So that means vegetable soup. With chicken?
Vegetable tomorrow. With chicken breast. Mama mukbang. I saw a spoiler today.
Of MHA. Good spoiler. Annoying that you know it.
No.
It's about Dabi.
Okay.
About Midoriya.
Nay. One for all. All for one. What's that?
The main villain.
Stop fighting, Sanji.
Sanji farted so much. I couldn't smell his fart before.
I could.
Was it the really nasty one?
It feels like I inhaled it all.
Maybe it went to Lise. And she was like, I don't want to be rude, but it's smelling in here.
Nay? Nay. Mama, nay. I'm still small, Mama. I love you.
What's in here but like more?
Yeah, I don't like that one.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I like them.
I don't like them.
Yeah. Are you? Toasted bread?
No.
Alright.
Hi guys. It's already 9, babe.
10 almost.
10. It's almost 10. But it's 9:48 and ngayon lang natulog si Dudong, guys.
Why did you open this one?
Huh? It has like a corner. It's like a arrow. Ayaw niyang magpakarga kay Devin. Gusto niya lang sa akin, kaya nandito kami ngayon. Nagtry akong magnap sana kanina kasi si Devin ang nagpakain sa kanya. Kaso, pagkatapos niyan, umiiyak na siya. Ayaw na niyang pumunta kay Devin. So, ayun. Magpahinga sana ako ng maaga kaso ayaw niyang magpalagay. Ayan. Yeah, I think so.
Can get it open.
There's yung magpalagay. So, ako na lang ang nagkarga sa kanya. Kasi ayaw din niyang lumapit kay Devin. When Devin carried him, he cries, right?
Yeah.
And nanood ako ng football.
He likes it at first and then it's like, okay, no more. Did you put like one beefy on top of it?
He put too much. Sanji was so OE
Come
this
here.
morning. I gave him steak.
Yeah.
So I was in the washing room. So usually when I get some steak, he ran in there. But this morning he had to go towards him. Social ka. I just put the steak in the floor. He didn't get it, babe. Until this afternoon, I put it here.
But you want medicine?
Nope. Yan guys, sa labas. And maano pa rin, malamig na siya. Mas better na siya. And nilagay lang namin tong aming laundry rack in here para may fresh air pumasok. And para din di makalabas si Sanji, no? Ayan, ang ganda sa labas. Ayan. Diba? Yung corner namin dito. Anyways. May mga clip ako ng vlog ko na na-delete ko. Maganda sana yun. Kasi nag-walking kami. Maganda sana yun ilagay sa vlog. Nag-walking kami noong mainit na araw. And gamit namin yung buggy ni Kai. So, I accidentally deleted kasi nag-ano lang ako na dinelete ko lahat na yung selected all. Then hindi ko talaga naisip yung vlog. Anyways guys, meron akong bagong gamit na phone, yung old phone ni Devon. Ako lang muna gagamit nito, pero Devon will still use this one. But as of now, I'm the one who's using this one kasi meron siyang nag-download ako ng mga games dito. Hindi naman to ginagamit ni Devon dahil may bago siyang phone. Meron siyang company phone. Samsung S24 Ultra. And this one is Samsung S21 Ultra. Is this Ultra Love or Plus Ultra?
There's no Plus Ultra.
What is Plus Ultra?
Almighty! You nerd!
So, ito yung S21 na old phone ni Devon. And ito ang S22. Ito. Ayan. Dito na, in-unbox to ni Devon. Tapos, sinet up na niya. Dumating to noong Friday. This week lang. Last Friday pala. Ang ganda niya, guys. Oh. Diba? Ang ganda ng niya. Pagka shape niya, and meron siyang pen. Ang ganda ng camera nito. Ang ganda ng camera nitong S21, tingnan nyo. S24 pala. Ayan yung gift na bigay sa amin ng company. Nasa wishlist din namin. And sila yung bumisita sa amin, guys. Ayan. Mababait sila. Does it feel so big in your hands, love?
Huh?
Does it feel so big in your hands?
It feels big, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like the same size, right? But it feels bigger.
Good morning, guys. This is another day. Hindi ko natapos ang vlog kahapon. Siguro ang short lang ng ng vlog ko kahapon. And aga kong nagising. It's just 8 a.m. No, it's 9:16. But nagising ako 8:18 a.m. Dahil maganda ang tulog ko. Maganda din ang tulog ni Dodong. Dodong liit. So, yeah, kagabi si Devon is natulog na siya sa aming bedroom. And nagising si Dudong around 3:35 a.m. Yun din yung time na lumipat na din si Devon sa sa sofa. Request talaga ako kay Devon kagabi na sa bedroom siya matulog dahil baka I'm just lonely in bed kaya hindi ako makatulog. Masarap ang coffee pag ganitong maulan. Dadang! Dadang! Enjoy muna siya dyan. Nag-ano siya, guys. Nag-tummy time siya today. He did like hindi masyadong matagal na tummy time. Matagal na tummy time. It's just like around 3 minutes. Pero that's better than before. Kasi ang na-recommend ng ng pedia namin is 15 minutes per day. So, ko na lang kada gising niya. Itatatami time ko siya. Hey Siri! Hey Siri! What's gonna be the temperature today? Ooh, 17 degrees. So, tignan natin sa Berlin radar. Hey guys! I am making chicken feet. Adobo. I got this one from Esco as well. Chicken feet. I'm making this one, and also I'm boiling it first with water, and then here I prepared some food for Sanji, so he can have some of the chicken feet. because he looks so sad. But I have to make it really, yung parang very soft para it's easier for me to get the bones later for Sanji. At ito, papalamigin ko muna ito. I'm making a chicken feet because Sanji looks so sad. And then, I asked Devon this morning, what did he do why Sanji gets sad? Because sometimes maybe only maybe Devon scolds Sanji, and Sanji is not used to it when Devon is scolding him, so he gets so sad and depressed. And now Devon said that he didn't say goodbye to Sanji this morning because I was sleeping, and Sanji was sleeping with us, so that's why. So maybe that's why. So that's why I'm also making chicken feet. Chicken feet is really my favorite, and chicken neck. Yan, mga paborito ko yung kainin. And I have here a rice. Panis na siya kasi kahapon pa to. Kahapon ng lunch, and nilagyan ko siya ng okra as well. Kain tayo. Ito, luto na ang ating chicken feet. Hindi siya masyadong brown kasi nadamihan ko siya ng water. Inubos ko na rin yung rice na niluto ko kasi konti lang naman. And pag hindi ko maubos, hindi, mamaya na lang. Tingnan natin. It's good. Sanji, you already have your Sanji. And guys, gising na siya. Nanood lang siya sa akin habang kumakain ako, pero hindi ko matapos yung rice. Excuse me, you look like you love me. You look like you need me. I love you too. I love you too, baby. Yes. Sanji, ooh. Sanji, ooh. So, tapos akong kumain, guys. Madami pang tira doon sa sa pantry. Ilagay ko na lang siya sa ref mamaya pag nag-cool down na, dahil pwede natin siyang kainin for tomorrow lunch. Excuse me, I carry you all the way until you choose the day when you prepare to greet me. I be a good mom, I swear. Keeping to my fingers all the time. I try to capture every minute. The feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time. Sometimes I wish that I could freeze the picture and save it from the funny tricks of time. Looks so cute. Hey guys, nag-declutter ako ng mga damit namin. Ayan, ito lahat ang i-declutter namin. Hindi ko pa alam saan ko kilalagay yan. And ayan, tinukpikuan. Meron pa doon sa bandang doon. And this is how it looked like because I didn't shower yet.